Introducing Jeopard. Just like name, this is fast, most accurate text-to-speech and voice cloning tool. With just simple text you can generate realistic speech. You can adjust temperature, frames, top K to get more realistic result. Listen to this.
Honestly, this town has the best food trucks on our whole side of the bay. You can walk down by the lake and grab something from a different country every block.
You can choose voices from list, no matter you want male or female voices. Each voice is unique and sound as real it can be. There also voice cloning option.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday.
With voice cloning option, just upload 5 to 60 seconds of voice clip, type text and see the magic.
Honestly, this town has the best food trucks on our whole side of the bay. You can walk down by the lake and grab something from a different country every block.
Installing this is different from other tools, so watch my whole video, and if you haven't subscribed then subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give a like. Well, let's get started. How to install Gepard locally on your computer. Click on Hugging Face space link in my description to try Jeopard. You can try it here. I recommend you should install this locally. To install you need to have at least 6 GB graphic card, WSL, which is Linux for Windows, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, FFmpeg, Visual Studio, Git for Windows. You can watch my playlist on installing these dependencies. To install WSL on your Windows, run Windows PowerShell as administrator. Type this command and hit enter. This will auto-install everything. Choose a username and password for your Wazzle account. Choose no, then you will need to restart your computer. That's it, your WSL is installed. To install, click on 3 dots at right top and choose Run Local option. Choose Clone Git option and copy Git clone code. Now go to folder or drive you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Type WSL. This will turn command window to Linux. Now paste code you copied to clone Jeopard. With cd command go inside Jeopard. Now create venv, just type Python 3, it will auto-select latest version of Python. Now activate venv. To install PyTorch, go to main page of PyTorch and copy code for your CUDA version. Paste PyTorch code in WSL and change CUDA version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. After PyTorch installed, run requirements code to install requirements. After requirements installed, run main code. Running main code first time will download models. When you see local URL, copy and paste in any web browser to launch Jeopard. To make bat file in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now you can easily run Jeopard anytime double-clicking this run file. To use Jeopard for text-to-speech, choose voice you want to sound like from list of voices and type text. In setting, you can adjust settings up to you, then click generate.
Thank you for watch my video. I hope you like it. If you got any question or request, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care.
For voice cloning option, upload voice you want to sound like.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish.
Type text and click generate.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you got any question or request, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care.